Hello and welcome to this YouTube video. My name is Mr. Sam. If you are seeing me for the first time, do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I share educational content from mathematics, physics, chemistry, and other subjects as well. In this video, we'll be discussing SURDS. The video will be in two parts. This will be the first part of the video. There will be another video where we are going to discuss more further on SURDS. In this video, we'll be covering the rules of SURDS, simplification of SURDS, and operations of SURDS. For operations, we have addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. But our focus for this video will be addition and subtraction. In the next video, we are going to cover the multiplication and division of SURDS. So let's get into it quickly. Let's first look at the rules of SURDS. The first rule I will talk about is the rule that SURD A times SURD B can be written as SURD A times B. You can combine the two SURDs as one SURD, and that will become SURD AB. Now, this is when they are multiplying. Take, for example, if I have SURD 2 times SURD 3, that will become SURD 2 times 3, which is SURD 6. So that's the first rule. The second rule here is for division. If I have SURD A divided by SURD B, this can be written as SURD A over B. E.g., if I have SURD 10 divided by SURD 5, I can write it as SURD 10 over 5, and that is SURD 2. So these are the two first and major rules of SURDS. You can take them the reverse. Take, for example, I have SURD 12. I can break SURD 12 down to SURD 6 times SURD 2, or I can say SURD 4 times SURD 3, depending on what I want to use in the calculation that we are working on. So these are the first two, and let's look at the next one. Number 3. If we have a SURD multiplying itself, SURD A times SURD A, this will give us A. Multiplying SURD A by SURD A will give you A. To test for this, let's use something we know. Let's say SURD 4 times SURD 4. We know that the square root of 4 is 2. The square root of the second 4 is 2. And 2 times 2 gives you 4. So we simply say SURD 4 times SURD 4 is 4. So if we have SURD 3 times SURD 3, that will give us 3. SURD 2 times SURD 2 is 2. How do we get that? And that's it. Let's move to the next question. The next rule we have. Now this is more like an understanding, not a rule. But if you have SURD A plus SURD B, it is not equal to SURD A plus B. You cannot combine them. I'm going to check for this now. To check, let's say we have SURD 16 plus SURD 9. I'll do this on this side, and on this side, I'm going to do SURD 16 plus 9. Let's see if I'm going to have the same answer. SURD 16, square root of 16 is 4. SURD 9, square root of 9 is 3. If we have 4 plus 3, that is 7. Here, when we add the two of them, we have SURD 25, and square root of 25 is 5. So we can say that they are not equal. So when you see SURD A plus SURD B, do not combine them like that. And to check for an example is if you have SURD 2 plus SURD 3, the answer will still remain SURD 2 plus SURD 3. Just like if you have x plus y, you cannot add them together. They are not like them, so it will still be x plus y. It is as simple as that. So that is that. And let's look at, for subtraction also, can we combine them? If I have SURD A minus SURD B, you cannot combine it. This is not equal to SURD A minus B. Let's check for this also. Let's say we want to do SURD 100 minus SURD 64. And on this side here, I'll do 100 minus 64 under the same SURD. Now, SURD 100 is 10, and that of 64 is 8. If I subtract here, I will have 36. 10 minus 8 will give me 2, and the square root of 36 is 6. So also, we cannot combine SURDs when they are subtracting and then when they are adding. So these are the basic rules of SURDs that you should be familiar with. If you understand this, then you are good to go. So we'll be moving now to simplification of SURDs. We are done with this. Simplification of SURDs. We are going to be looking at some examples here where we would simplify the sorts from big forms to simple forms. Alright, so we have these questions. I want to simplify them. When you want to simplify a sort like this, number one, we have sort 108. What you do is that you look for two numbers that you multiply and they will give you this. And one of them must have a whole number square root. The other one, you can't simplify it anymore. For the sake of those that might have issues with simplifying things like this, I will quickly show you a simple trick to use. So we have 108. I won't do this in the next question, so just try and follow through. I'm going to break it down, find all the factors starting with 2 since it's an even number. 2 will go in this 54 times. 2 will still go. 2 will go here 27. We'll go with 3 now. 3 will go here 9 times. And then 3 will go in 9 3 times. Then 23 1 time. So the factors that we have are 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 3. Looking at the factors, if we group them in evens, like even number, we have 2 of this. We have 2 of this. We have only one of this standing out. 2 times 2 is 4, and then 3 times 3 is 9. Then times 3. We know that these two have square roots. 4 times 9 is 36. So we have 36 times 3. What is square root of 36? 6. So these 3 cannot be broken down further. Since we have our square root from this already, we are working with 36 times 3. Those are the two numbers of the square root of 36 is 6. I don't know if that helps, but if you have been having issues finding factors, you can always do it this way. Even for subsequent ones, if I am rushing, you can pause and try to find the factors without found them. So this will be square root of 36 times 3. So it is like we are going to the reverse for first rule of sorts, like backward now. Now we can separate them and say we have sort 36 times sort 3, and the square root of 36 is 6 times sort 3, that's 6 sort 3. So that's the answer. Now it should be so good at this that you can go from here to here straight without doing all this. This is just to show our working. Let's look at number 2. We have sort 288. We know 288 is 144 times 2. Square root of 144 is 12. So I'll write it as sort 144 times 2. So we separate it and do everything. Square root of 144 is 12. So 12 will come outside just like this, and we'll have 12 sort 2. So that's the answer. Let's go to number 3. I think we have sort 54. So now I'm reducing this step, so I'm going straight to the answer now. So follow me. We have 54. That's 9 times 6. Square root of 9 is 3. So the 3 will stay outside, and we'll have 3 sort 6. It's as simple as that. Now let's look at number 4. Number 4, we have 4 sort 27. Already there's a number outside, but this number inside in the sort can still be simplified further. The aim of simplifying is to make sure that whatever is there at the sort cannot be broken down further. There are no multiples that have square roots in them. This one is 9 times 3, 27 on this one. So basically what we have here is like 4 times sort 9 times 3. And we know the square root of 9 is 3, so we have 4 times 3 sort 3. This one will remain inside. 4 times 3 is 12 sort 3. So this is the simplified form of 4 sort 27. And then number 5, we have 3 sort A cubed B. For this one, we look at the factors here to that have square roots. Now we are dealing with letters and not numbers. If I should break it down, we have 3 times sort A times A times B. Sorry, times A times B. Yes, 3 A's. So that will be 3 times A times A is A squared. And we know the square root of A squared is A. So I'm singling this out, and A times B is AB. This is the only one that has square roots there. So we have 3 times what is square root of A squared, A, then this will remain under the sort AB. So we have 3A sort AB as our final answer. I hope that's clear. If you didn't get it, you can rewind and try to follow again. So those are the solutions to the questions under this. Now, hoping you understand this very well, we are now going to move to operations. Look at some additions and subtractions. After which, I will give you some exercises as usual to go and practice on this. So here we are. These are the examples, and we are going to solve them now quickly. Look at the first one. Number 1, we have sort 3 plus sort 3. Now we treat sorts like they are algebraic terms using x and y or a and b and so on. Suppose you have x plus x, that's 1x plus 1x, and that will give us 2x. The same way, we can add sorts like that. You can have sort 2 plus sort 2. That is 1 sort 2 plus 1 sort 2. That will be 2 sort 2. So take them as they have coefficients in front of them. When they are not there, it's 1. When they are written, then we take the value. This will be 2 plus 1, and that will be 3. So that will guide us through these examples now. So 3 plus sort 3 is 2 sort 3. It's as simple as that. Number 2, we have sort 4 plus sort 5. Remember, we can't combine the sorts together. We can simplify it. We know the square root of 4 is 2. So this is 2 plus sort 5. And the same way we cannot add 2 plus x because they are not items, so we cannot add this to 2. So this is our final answer. Number 3, we have 2 sort 7 minus sort 7. Basically, what we have here is 2 sort 7 minus 1 sort 7. 2 minus 1 is 1, and our answer is just 1 sort 7, which is sort 7. Number 4, we have sort 18 plus sort 8. Now, this looks like sorts that we can simplify further. 18 is 9 times 2. Square root of 9 is 3. That will come outside, and that will be 3 sort 2. Plus 8 is 4 times 2. Square root of 4 is 2. That will come outside, and we'll have 2 sort 2. So they are like terms because they are both sort 2. We can add 3 plus 2, and we have 5 sort 2. That's the answer to that. Number 5, we have 4 sort 18 minus sort 200 plus 3 sort 50. Now we can simplify these ones individually. Also, this is 4 sort 18 is 4 times sort 18. 18 is 9 times 2. Square root of 9 is 3. So we have 3 sort 2. 4 times 3. So the whole of this is 12 sort 2. That is minus. Now to sort 200. 200 is 100 times 2. And square root of 100 is 10. So that will be 10 sort 2. Plus this is 3 times sort 50. And sort 50 is 25 times 2. Square root of 25 is 5. That will come outside about 5 sort 2. So 3 times 5 is 15. So we have 15 sort 2. That's that. So now, they are like x. You can simplify. 12 minus 10, 2 plus 15, 17 sort 2. That's our final answer. So now, number 6, which is the final one here, we have sort 48 plus 4 sort 90 minus 2 sort 40 plus sort 27. Simplifying them individually, what do we have? 48 is 16 times 3, and the square root of 16 is 4. So this will be 4 sort 3 plus 90 is 9 times 10. That's what you can get. Square root of 9 is 3. So basically what we have is 4 times 3 sort 10. 4 times 3, that is 12 sort 10. Minus, for this one, what we have here is 2 times sort 4 times 10. Square root of 4 is 2, so we have 2 sort 10. 2 times 2 is 4, so we have 4 sort 10 here. Plus sort 27. 27 is 9 times 3, and square root of 9 is 3. So that we'll have 3 sort 3. So if you look at it, you have like this. These two have the same sorts. These two have the same sorts. So we can add them to the answer 4 sort 3 plus 3 sort 3 times collected items plus 12 sort 10 minus 4 sort 10. This plus this is 7 sort 3, and plus 12 minus 4 is plus 8 sort 10. That is our final answer. We cannot simplify further. So now that. Now we are done with this tool. I hope this video was able to educate you to an extent, especially if you have been having issues understanding sorts. So you can still go back, rewind, and try to follow through again if you didn't get some parts to help you to understand better. So now I'm giving you some exercises that you go through on your own to practice what you have learned now in this video. So there you go. These are 5 questions for you to practice. I hope the video was educative. I hope you learned something. You can check back for the other video, the part 2, where we'll be discussing multiplication and division of sorts. Thank you very much for watching. If you have not yet done so, subscribe to this channel and share with your friends, especially those that need to understand mathematics better. I'll do my best here to break it down to the best of my ability. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.